this room for a while. All right, so I'm in my new box. You guys might not need to do this because your default's probably the same. I did a very large project, and that's why the picots are so big. And that's why things are going so slow for me right now, too. All right, so width is 66. 51. Well, I don't think I need to because I entered it manually. Let's see. I've got a lot of software open right now. Okay, so here we go. So we're using black and white, 2 shades, 2 colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this box right here. And this is what I'm going to use to draw my rectangles. I'm going to draw a rectangle all the way over. And this is what's new. This is something you guys haven't done or worked with before, are these 2 boxes up here. So this box at the bottom is the outline tool. And so if I move from normal to my preview, you'll see that the box that I just drew has a stroke weight around it. Okay, so I don't want the stroke weight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off. None. But I do want to fill. So I'll just pick a light blue for my fill. And then what I'm going to do is I could draw another box, but I need 3 boxes of the exact same size. So I've got one of this size. I'm going to copy, Command C, Command V. Now I have 2 boxes of the exact same size because I copied the first one. All I need to do now is change the fill. So I'm going to change the fill to paper, which is white. And I'm going to move that up top. I'm going to smash it together. Okay, so it butts right up against that. Do it one more time. Command V, that's my paste. Pull it down a little bit. And I'll change this to a second color. And we'll just go with this awesome green. No, we won't. That doesn't look too good. We'll go with the yellow. All right. Okay, so I know that's the same width, so I'm going to pull it up. Okay, so my problem is right now is the height of these 3 individual boxes doesn't extend down to my bottom margin where I need it to be. So here's the quick solution to that. I'm going to grab all 3. And you can see they're all grabbed. And if I pull them down now, they'll expand at the same rate. And now I have an equal width all the way down. Okay? Pretty straightforward. All right. Here's the part that some of you may make a mistake on, so try and pay attention to this. If I were to go to my text tool now and click in the blue box, I could start typing. But I want my word contrast to appear right in the center. And here's what's happened, is it's attached to the blue box. You see that? It's not independent of the blue box, and that's what I need. So I just did a step back. I'll go back to my type tool, and then right here off to the side, I'm going to draw a box. Type the word contrast. And I'm going to bring that in. So there's the word contrast. You know, in the video that I recorded last week, I don't know if I did this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the size of this word without messing with font size up here at all. The way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to hold Command-Shift down on the keyboard. I'm going to grab this corner. I'm just going to pull. And the size of the word's just going to expand just as if it were a box. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. You see how this box is overlapping into the white here? As we move forward in InDesign, try to keep things contained and avoid overlapping like that. That could cause you some problems. So I'm just going to keep things snug. And I'm just going to quickly, actually I'm going to do this. I'm going to draw it all the way to the edge. All the way to the edge. Because I want to make sure it's in the center. The best way to center something is, where are my alignment tools? Here we go. Put it in the center. It's in paragraph form. All right. And now what I'm going to do, quick and easy, Command C, Command V. Command V. Okay. I would like you to do 3 different fonts here. So I've got the default font up top. I'll change the bottom or the middle one to something else, and I'm just going to type in anything. Actually, I take that back. I won't. Baskerville looks a little bit different. I'll do the same down here. Impacts. Okay, so it's a big difference on the bottom. And I'm just going to live with that. Okay. So now what I need to do is I need to change colors and get the color combination the way I want it. So I'm in a blue box. So I'm going to, I think for now I'll keep the black fill the same, but I'm going to pick something else. So it looks like, I think I'm going to pick a white outline. So this is the outline of the lettering here. Again, right below. As you can see, it's way too extreme. So I'm going to select it again. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to find stroke. It's called stroke. And you can see I've got a 12-point font going around there. I think I'm going to limit it to 3. It brings it in nicely. Okay. So I'm going to do the same here. I need to change the fill. I think I'll change the fill to the yellow. So I'll come up here. And I know that's the same yellow. And then what I need to do, I think I'll use a black outline for that. I shouldn't have put that stroke weight away. Pull it right back up. Go back to 3. And I didn't select it, so that's why it didn't apply. There it is. And then what do I have left on the bottom here? Okay, so it looks like I need to put a blue on there. And I've got a white outline here. But I can't do a yellow outline because I'm in a yellow box. It won't show up. So I guess I have to switch a few things around. So let's just do the blue first. And then I think I will put the white here. I'll just switch it on the other one. So I can put a yellow here. And then I'll bring this size down again. Stroke. Changing that to 3. And that's basically it. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to stop this video. And the first thing I'm going to do when we get